Hi, this is Keith with Mr. Quick, and I want to talk to you about air purification, making sure that you're breathing the best quality air that you can inside your home. What we have here is a product down here called the Remy Halo, and this is the first version of the Remy Halo, and what it does is it has a UV light that reacts with a particular metal and creates hydrogen peroxide gas. That gas is sent all throughout your home. It's killing germs in your HVAC system, in your ductwork, and especially more importantly in your home, so you're not getting germs, mold, spores. It's going to be able to kill all those contaminants and make sure that you have the best living space that you can. This is the first version. They have a second version called the LED. The LED actually has a 4-year warranty on the bulbs, which is going to last at least twice as long. And the mechanical ballast on it has a 7-year warranty, so you're protected for many, many years to make sure that you are breathing and your surfaces have the best quality that you can.